What's up, everybody? I know I ain't posted in a while, and I apologize about that. It's hard for me to video me doing the work on these cars and work on these cars at the same time I'm doing everything by myself. I know it's been a minute since I posted one, but I finally got the car out and raced for the first time this past weekend. And before I catch any grief, I know it's not the fastest car out there, but I've got some things that I've figured out, and I've got to find some parts for it and to help the gearing on it. My gearing is bad. This transmission I got in here is not for this car. The car wasn't putting out everything it could put out. I know it can go faster, but I had a blast. This is probably the most fun I've had in a race car, period. The way this car is set up is it will pull the driver's side rear off pretty much the whole race, and the way I was running the lines in this car was just, I've never ran that high on that track, and it felt just amazing. Kyle Adams, he's got a fast little hatchback, and I was not catching him. In my opinion, I think I had the second fastest car there. It might not show it much on the video. I had a hard time getting around the 3 car last night, and he had a fast car too. I just had a hard time getting around him, and he ran a good race. And we had a caution at the end there where Kyle's car broke, and I had nowhere to go, and I got passed by pretty much everybody that was behind me, and I had to make up some ground. We started the night with 12 cars, and I think we ended up maybe 5 or 6 or so finishing the feature, if that. But don't give me too much trash talk a little bit, I guess, on the car. It's a work in progress still. It's the first time this car's been on the track with any other cars, and it's got bugs I've got to work out. But in my opinion, for the first night out, finishing 3rd, I think the car did great. It's got more in it. I just got to get the parts to finish that part that I need done. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I thought there was some good racing in this clip here. And congratulations to number 3 who won the race last night. He did. He ran a good race in front of us. So congratulations on that. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, comment if you want to. I'll try to post all the videos I can of the racing this year. But I want to thank everybody sponsor-wise, everybody that's helped me with sponsors or just coming over here and helping me with this car and reaching out to me. Jason Waters has helped me out quite a bit on this car, getting it set up. I was clueless going into this car with the standalone harness and the ECU and everything. It's all new to me, and just thank you all for that. I appreciate all the help from everybody. Hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one.